Howdy everybody, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Swamp Outdoors. I just wanted to share this quick video with everybody. I call this one the 5 C's of Survival Truck Edition. This is stuff that I keep in a box in my truck that I have on hands at all times. To start with it, cover. As everybody knows, cover is one of the 5 C's of survival, so I keep a tarp in my truck. The second one is container. As everybody knows, one of the C's, the 5 C's of survival, is a container. So I keep a gas can and I keep about a gallon of gas in it, just in case. Another one is cordage. I keep a ratchet strap in there, so I have to tie something down or whatever, or if I get stuck, I could use it to pull myself out. The second one is a cutting tool. Everybody knows that a cutting tool is one of the part of the 5 C's of survival. I keep a shovel in there, just in case you get stuck. You can dig yourself out. Another one is some cables. I keep an extra set of jumper cables in there. Something else that I do is I also keep an extra rope and a cutting saw in there, just because I had a little extra room inside my box. But just those 5 basic things in the front, I believe, is a good thing to carry on hand every day. I hope this video was informative, gave everybody some ideas. Hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for some more real outdoors, and share us out to a friend. God bless everybody.